This is my current favorite AR to shoot at the moment. It is a mid-length upper with a A2 buttstock. It is a parts build gun with mostly Aero Precision parts. If I could do it all over again, I would get the Aero Precision receiver without that ugly A on it. But Aero Precision receivers are pretty good in my opinion. I probably could have done this with an Anderson, but yeah, I got enough Anderson lowers. Anyway, it's a mid-length upper. I have a 4150 barrel with a 1-7 twist. I have not shot 62 grain. In this, I have only shot 55 grain. It's been a 100% reliable once I got the new bolt carrier group in. The original bolt carrier was like this Aero Precision nickel boron something or whatever. I don't think it was machine wrong or anything. I just think with the coating, it was just so slick. It was not extracting rounds. So I didn't really want to screw with it. I just put it on the table and I ordered a Bravo company bolt carrier group. Whenever I have problems, I just get a Bravo company bolt carrier group. Yeah, they don't make them, but they work. So whoever makes them, they're doing a fantastic job. So with that, I do have a rod on the gun. I have not used it. Have not had to use it yet because, like I said before, it's been 100% reliable with the new bolt carrier group. Usually I prefer my guns to be stock. I kind of like the carry handle look with the A2 gas block. I could have gone with an A1 grip, but I prefer to have this checkering and serrations with it so I could grip it better. I don't give a shit about this nub. I could cut it off later. The trigger guard, I fucking hate those expanded trigger guards that people have. My M&Ps, obviously, the lower is machined with a bigger trigger guard thing. But all my other ARs have this standard one. And if I need more space, all I have to do is push that button and open that up. And then I could have more space if I need it, just like it was intended to. And I prefer the angle of this. I think it flows with the receiver really good. I don't like the round look. This sling, so it's actually a forklift strap from a wire box at my old job. And when those boxes were spent, I would take these straps out of the box, and I had permission from my boss to take them home, and I would cut them up and make them into slings. I like it. It's kind of like a seatbelt material. And the little OSHA tag that was on it, it says it could support 1,000 pounds. Well, I won't need it to support that much weight, but yeah, it should be a pretty strong sling. some people might ask, why did you go with a mid-length upper instead of a rifle length? Well, I wanted something that was carbine length, but I didn't want the long barrel past the gas block. The gas block is further back. The military model is 14 and a half. And so if you would have that, it would be a SBR. So most carbine length guns will have the 16-inch barrel, which is a 14 and a half with 2 inches of barrel for the legal limit. But anyway, I wanted this so it looked like a rifle length, but I could also use one of these, which is nice. So we'll see how well this rifle holds up with a higher round count. I think it would make a great prepping slash WROL gun, but we'll see. That's it for now.